Hi, this is me, Amal Hermuz from Vivian Hair Design in Spain. As you see, I have here with me Lulu
I'm from England.
And this is here, and I want to show you here first. As you see, she have one linked here, kind of bob line, I think she had. Yes, you see, and she comes here and she told me, I don't like it, I want to change my hairstyle. She wants a different hairstyle. So Lulu from England, tell me, what can we do for you?
Well, I would like a new style, please, and something modern.
Something modern.
Yes, I've had enough of this style, so I would like a change, a big transformation.
Okay, so you want to have a nice and lovely new style,
I
2016.
do.
Yes,
I do. Yes, I do. Indeed.
I'm gonna show you hairstyles. So as you see, this is a Lulu hairstyle. So we choose actually for a nice, lovely hairstyle for Lulu. So we're gonna leave this one long, and we're gonna cut it to here, and we make here movement in the hair because it's one length. We're gonna cut it a little bit shorter here and a little bit high, so she gets very nice volume inside. And this side we choose for very, very short, extremely short style for Lulu. So that's what you wanted also, Lulu, no?
Yes, thank you very much. Yes.
Okay, we will come back with you, Lulu, and with everybody. So we will say now, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Hi, Lulu. And I think now we are online. Hi, everybody. Me and Lulu here from England.
Yes.
As you see, we have put before all this the party. So we're going to start to cut her hair. We're going to have very nice, lovely style. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I'll put a little bit high so you can see the better. Yes, and as you see, we put 1, 2, 3, 4 parts in here and 3 in the fourth, and this is one loose here. So we're going to start to cut the hair from here. See? Okay, now we start here. So make sure the first line.
Yes, I'm fine. Thank you.
Now take the second line. See it? I think yes. This one. So the first line is done. So we cut the hair with length. And now we're going to put in it here little bit layer here, yes.
Feeling good. Excited. I'm excited, really. I can't wait to see the end results. Changing the hair is really nice. It's exciting, isn't it?
It's really nice. Especially this kind of, beautiful ones. Lovely hairstyle. And tonight it will be
Really? Yeah. I have a son who's 54. Yes. And I have a granddaughter who is 29. Oh yes, yes, yes. I will get some volume from the back. Yes, I like that. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. Yeah. Side. Thank you. As long as possible. And looks years younger. That's what I like. Like that. Like that.
This is the
Yes.
You can go up if you want to.
Yeah, what do you think?
We leave it like that.
Alright, leave it like that. We can always put a little bit of it. Yes, yes, of course.
But you can also cut it here. Just let me.
Yes. I think that's good, yeah. That's good, Amal. That's good, yeah.
We will show it to everybody here. Yeah. So I'm gonna come back to Lulu. So as you see, we have left this one as long as possible. And we cut her fringe from short to long. This is her style now, and we made here lovely, nice layers so you can get movement in it. So inside and this side we choose for a little bit shorter. So Lulu wanted to change totally, so we cut this one a little bit shorter and that side a little bit long. That's the difference. So we're gonna come back with you to show you how to blow dry this new hair. Yes, Lulu. So we will see you later. Bye bye.
Bye.
Lulu, we are back now. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Say hi to everybody. Hi. Hi. We are back here. I'm with Lulu. I'm gonna show you how to blow dry this hair to the nice, lovely style. Yes.
That's lovely, isn't it? It's lovely.
We'll come later back, show you this this. Bye-bye. Hi, this is me, Amal Hermuz again from Vivian Hair Design. As you see, I'm here with Lulu. This is the result what we had. This is the finishing touch of Lulu hair. So I'm gonna trim this chair so you can see her style. As you see, we cut her hair here. We left it a little bit long bow this side, and then we're gonna turn her hair a little bit the chair so you can see lovely, nice, easy and movement, very nice. And we choose for this side a little bit shorter. So I'm gonna turn a little bit more so you can see her hair, and I'm gonna turn. I'm going from here to there so you can see this is the style of Lulu. Nice and easy and very simple haircut, and she love it and she like it, and it is very easy to manage. So as you see, this is Lulu before and this is Lulu after. A nice lovely haircut and very nice fringe, if you see, very from short to long and very beautiful. So Lulu from England, tell me, do you like the hair?
I think it's absolutely fabulous. I am absolutely delighted with it. It's 2 years of me. I look much younger now with this style.
That's sure, that's sure. Thank you very much for
Thank you very much, Amal.
Thank you very much for being in Vivian Hair Design. This was Lulu from England. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.